Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Heat half a tablespoon of butter in a large sauté pan over medium-high heat until melted. Add 2 eggs, salt to taste. Cook until scrambled, stirring occasionally. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Take the egg out and move it to a separate plate. Add another tablespoon of butter to the pan and let it melt. Chop up 1 large onion into big pieces. Guys, if you think your friends and family would like this video, go ahead and share it with them. Add the chopped onion to the pot and sauté over medium heat, stirring occasionally. While the onion's cooking, go ahead and cook the rice according to the package instructions. Next, chop up 2 medium carrots into cubes. Make sure to stir the onions from time to time, and you might want to turn the heat down so they don't burn. The onions should get a little caramelized, but not too much. Also, using a non-stick pan can help with this recipe. Throw the diced carrots into the pot and give it a good stir. If things start to stick, add a little more butter or olive oil. Next, add 1 cup or about 180 grams of frozen peas. Stir everything together and keep cooking the veggies over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. Next, chop up 3 large garlic cloves. Before I chop the garlic, I usually crush it first. It just makes it easier to chop, in my opinion. Throw the chopped garlic into the pot with the veggies and cook for about a minute, stirring all the time. Use a spatula to move the veggies to one side and then add the cooked rice. Guys, this recipe works really well with pre-cooked and chilled rice. So if you have got some leftover rice in the fridge from the day before, go ahead and use it for this easy and tasty dish. Add 3 or 4 tablespoons of soy sauce or more to taste. Turn up the heat a bit so the rice gets a little crispy and give it a good mix to make sure the soy sauce spreads evenly. Throw the scrambled eggs back into the pan. My rice turned out a bit sticky, but if you use chilled rice from the fridge, it will be more fluffy and less clumpy. What would you guys add to this recipe? Drop your suggestions in the comments, and who knows, I might try them out in the next video. If you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share your results in the comments, and see you in the next video. Hey friends! Today, I'm going to share a super easy recipe for making yellow rice. Heat up some olive oil over medium heat. While it's heating, finely chop a large onion. Friends, write from which country you are watching my videos. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Throw the chopped onion in the pan, stir it around, and let it cook for a couple of minutes. While the onion is cooking, chop up a small bunch of parsley. You can also use cilantro instead, or mix cilantro with parsley. I really love using parsley in my dishes. It adds a fresh, bright flavor and a pop of color that makes everything look and taste better. Plus, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and iron, which is a nice bonus. It's super versatile and works in so many recipes, so it's definitely a go-to in my kitchen. Add the parsley to the onions, mix it in well, and let it cook for a couple more minutes. Friends, like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive updates of new simple and hearty video recipes. Meanwhile, mince 2 cloves of garlic. I always smash garlic with a knife before chopping it for a few reasons. First, it releases the garlic's natural oils, which really boosts its flavor and aroma. Plus, smashing it helps me get a finer, more even chop. Let's say this simple step adds a more intense garlic taste to my dishes. Add the minced garlic to the pan with the onions and parsley and cook for just about 30 seconds, stirring constantly. Next, add 2 cups of dry rice and mix everything together well. This time I didn't rinse the rice because I wanted it to be a bit stickier. But if you prefer fluffy rice, you should rinse it before cooking. Either way, the dish will turn out really tasty. Chop up 1 medium tomato into cubes. If you want, you can always add more ingredients than I list in the recipe, like using 2 or even 3 tomatoes instead of just 1. Add tomatoes and stir. Add 4 cups chicken broth. Let the broth boil on a high heat. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder, then stir it all together. As the water boils down and just barely skims the top of the rice, reduce heat to very low and cover 15 minutes. Don't cover the rice until most of the liquid has been absorbed and is just skimming the top, or it will come out too wet. The steam will cook the rice, so do not open the lid. After 15 minutes, shut the flame off and let it sit at least 5 more minutes without touching the lid. The steam will finish cooking the rice without burning the bottom. Then fluff the rice with a spatula. Guys, if you think your friends and family would like this video, go ahead and share it with them. This makes a fantastic side dish for any chicken or meat meal, but I also enjoy eating the rice on its own. Wow, it's so good and so comforting. I seriously hope you try this and enjoy it. Discover more great recipes like this one on my channel. Subscribe now so you don't miss out. Check out another awesome rice recipe on my channel.